Checking for your program updates is very simple. Go to your Help tab, select the Automatic Update option. The Automatic Update dialog will appear. Select Next. PlanSwift checks for updates, displays current version information as well as update version information. If your maintenance is expired, it'll be displayed in this upper section along with instructions on how to renew your maintenance. Selecting Next will start the download. Depending on your internet connection, this could take a few minutes. When the download completes, you'll want to click Next. Windows 7 users, along with Windows Vista users, you may receive your user account control notification from Windows asking if you want to proceed. You'll click Yes. The PlanSwift 9 setup wizard will appear. Simply select Next. Agree to the terms and conditions. Select Next. Overwrite the types if you're going to overwrite your system types. When the installation process is complete, PlanSwift will automatically open.